It's considered to be one of the simplest yet most profitable ways to make money online, as it doesn't require you to have any extra skills or previous experience. All that's typically needed as an affiliate is a passion for your niche and strong persuasive skills. Think about all the products you love and maybe even use on a daily basis. The chances are that other people will also like those products, and you are the perfect person to sell it to them. Most big companies have an affiliate scheme, so all you have to do is go onto their website and do a bit of digging. If you can't find anything, then it's worth reaching out to them directly and asking if you can become an affiliate. There are also websites like impact.com where you can see a lot of different affiliate schemes that you can easily sign up for. Now you have to make some noise. You can do this by writing blogs, using social media, or posting reviews. You may have already seen this done on TikTok with those videos about Amazon products you need to buy. Every time someone buys through your link, you as the affiliate marketer receive a kickback and make a profit. But bear in mind, if you're doing reviews, you should actually purchase the product and test it. Using it over a period of time and reporting your findings will make sure your content is useful and genuine. One thing to keep in mind before you start affiliate marketing is to consider how you can provide value to your audience that exceeds what you get in return.